Hey guys, Zodac Tech here, and today we're going to be talking about my cousin's PC build. So if you guys didn't know, this is my new channel for tech stuff related to PC builds, talking about tech, because I'm actually a tech nerd myself, so I would like to actually kind of get into that as a YouTube channel. But the PC builds and all that are going to go both on both channels because they are going to be gaming in them. So like if I was to benchmark games would go in them. So all the benchmarks and all that is going to be in the same video as me building the PC. But yeah, guys, so we're going to talk about my cousin's build. So the price point for this is $927, but I actually got the graphics card used from a personal friend for $250. The graphics card is an RTX 2060 by Zodac Gaming, so that knocked down our price to $827. So with our case, we went with the Cooler Master Box MB511 RGB ATX Tower. It has 3 RGB fans in the front and one non-RGB in the back. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to buy a 3-pack of RGB fans and put 2 in the top and 1 in the back so it's fully RGB. And then to pair it with that, as to give it power, we're going to go with the 700 watt Thermaltake Smart. I'm probably going to downgrade because I am pretty sure this is overkill, but yeah. With the motherboard, we're going to do an ASRock B450M Pro 4 AM4 AMD motherboard. It's a micro ATX, so it would be kind of small. Then for our storage, we have 2 things. I have the SSD already. It's a 250GB Western Digital Blue. And for the hard drive where he'll play most of his games on will be a Seagate Firecracker Gaming solid state hybrid, 2TB. So this is actually a hybrid between a normal hard drive and an SSD, so it would be perfect for him. Then for our RAM is a Patriot Vibrasteel Series DDR4 16GB, rated at 3200 millihertz. So I might go with a 2-stick to kind of get that better performance instead of all the memory being on 1. So yeah, I think even though that would be like $5 more, I think it would be worth it. But then for our processor, we went with the AMD Ryzen 5 3600, rated at 6 cores, 12 thread, unlocked. So that means he can overclock it if he wants, but I wouldn't recommend it. So yeah, guys, but that's his build. So this build's probably going to come out in June or July, depending on when I get the parts, because I also have to do my PC build, but all the parts are going to be shipped to my house and I'm going to put it together for a video. I already have a cameraman who's going to record it. I might actually get a camera stand so it's looking down at the table I'm going to be building on. Anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. So this is going to be my cousin's build. I am set on it. I might change some parts, but I'm confident I'm going to stick with these because it's at a good price point and it's good components for them. So yeah. But anyways, guys, drop a like and subscribe if you would like to see more on the Zodac Tech channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.